You're welcome back to my channel. You're welcome back to Taron Innovative World, the home of creativity and exploit. How do you see this bag? Would you like to learn how to make this bag? Yeah, how do you see it? So this is what I want to teach you now. Okay, so just get your seat, sit down, and let's get into the action. All right. So this is actually an Ankara bag, handbag. Okay, so I'll be showing you how to make this beautiful bag. All right, so I used Ankara fabric. Can you see our fabric? This is my fabric. Okay, and then I used taffeta. This taffeta, the normal taffeta for making souvenir bag. Okay, so I just look for a matching color. We have green here, so I'm using a matching color. You can use any of the color here or any color of your choice. All right, so and then this is for the hand. Okay, so now what I'll be doing is I'll be telling you the measurement. So the measurement is, this is 12 inches, 12 inches by 23. Let's see. Okay, so this is 12 and a half, 12.5, 12 and a half by 23 inches. So let's see. By 20, yes, almost 20, by 23 inches. Look at it, it's exactly 23 inches. All right, so you measure the same thing for this. So we are using this one for the insert, like for the lining, to make it strong, you know, you can't just sew Ankara like that. All right, if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, do well by subscribing, because I upload good videos. I upload videos very well, so just subscribe to my channel. It's very simple. Click that red subscribe button, and there's a notification bell beside it. Click on it so that you always get notified whenever I upload a video. Thank you so much. All right, so and for the hand, this is the hand. I'm using 4 inches by 23 inches. 4 inches by 23 inches. The same thing for the Ankara, for the fabric, and for the inner or the insert. Okay, so I'm going to be starting. I will start with the hand. Now, this is the right side, right? This is the right side of my fabric. Okay, so this is the wrong side of my fabric. The right side is facing down. So what I'll do is this is my insert. That's my taffeta or taffeta, or anyhow you want to call it. Okay, so now this is the right side of the taffeta. So you see, wrong side is facing wrong side, so I want the right side to be outside, right? Okay, so now the next thing is I'll now top stitch it round. Top stitch it round. So just top stitch it round. Alright, so the next thing is I'm going to be trimming off the excess. You can see that it's not looking neat, so you trim all the excess and the overs, the ones that you don't need. So trim it neatly. Alright, so after you trim, see what we have. Can you see what we have? Alright, so now the next thing is I'm going to fold this. I believe you're seeing what I'm doing. So top stitch it. orient it to the other side. But before then, let's finish with this. After you do this, you do the other side as well, so that they can look identical. All right, so you can see that we have these two straps. So the two straps are for the hand, or is for the hand. Okay, so I'm going to keep this one aside, and then the next thing is I'll be dealing with the main bag, just the way we did when we did to the hand. That's what we're going to do. Right side is facing down. This is the wrong side. Wrong side is facing wrong side. This is the right side. Okay, so you top stitch it and sew it round. This is what we have. So neatly trim off all the excess. So we don't need all this excess. I'm going to trim it off. All right, so trim off. Like I said, it should be neat. I've trimmed everything. You can see that it's now looking very neat. All right, so now the next thing is I'll be fixing my zip head. So I'm using this fancy zip. I'm using this fancy zip. Can you see? Zip cloth, I mean. Okay. So now I'll turn it like this. You see? So I'll be fixing my hand inside, right? Okay, now this is where I want to be outside. So I'll call this place the right side, and then I'll call this place the wrong side. So I'm going to do like this. So meaning that but although this one, it doesn't have right, it doesn't have wrong, right? But I feel that's the neatest side. So I'm going to measure 2.5. See, 2.5, right? And then sew it. I'll also come to this side, measure 2.5 this way. Can you see what I did here? Look at what I did. Okay, so I'll come here as well, measure 2.5. That's 2.5. 2.5 is the same thing as 2.5. So see it. This is half. Leave excess zip. All right. I'll also come to this side. We'll fix. We measure 2.5. So you're also measuring 2.5. 2.5. 2.5. I'm going to turn this like this and top stitch it. I'm going to do the same thing that I did to the other side. So trim off the excess. All right, so now this is what we have. The next thing is I'll be fixing my zip head. Let this side be the same. So now I'm going to be fixing my zip head. Okay, so what I have. So I'm rounding this out like this. So I'm going to top stitch here. So I'll trim off the excess zip. I'll also come to this side and do the same thing that I've done there. See what I'll do. So let's see what we have. So I'll be trimming off this excess. So the next thing is to sew a bit of the down. I'm going to sew a bit of this, let's say 1.5. So to fit it. Do the same thing to the other side. Alright. Next thing, I'll cut it off. So, and then turn the back. Use your hand to bring out the shoe. Alright, so use your hand to remove all the shapes. So our bag is ready. See what we have. Now the next thing is I'll be using I want to decorate this a bit. Be needing your hand needle. So I want to just decorate it a bit using this beautiful button. Okay. So all I'll do is I'll come here, open the zipper or the zip, then put your fix it. And if you want it, if you like it plain, you can leave it like that. I just want to give it a little bit of so do the same thing to the other side, and our bag is ready. So thank you so much for watching this video. If today is your first time of seeing this channel, do well by subscribing. Like the video. If you have any question, you can comment. All right, so thank you so much. Like the video, subscribe, share with your friends, invite your friends to subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much. See you in my next video.